A burger costs $1,000. What is the reason? $1,000. It's unbelievable. This amount stands at 72,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Many people earn this money with great difficulty throughout the year, but many people pay a burger at this price again. Incredibly, the price of a special burger in Japan is $1,000. This is one of the most expensive burger in the country. This burger is available at the Outdoor Steakhouse at Grand Hyatt in Tokyo. US chef Patrick Skemider invented this burger. It is priced at 1 lakh yen in Japanese currency. The burger bun has a golden leaf inside. 1 kg Wagyu beef patty is used in the restaurant. Comes with special Japanese cheese and fue leaves. It is served with a bottle of champagne. The base of the burger is made with garlic, saffron, sauce. Tomatoes and lettuce are topped. The larger the chopping board, the larger the size of the burger, accompanied by truffles. This burger is also one of the most expensive food in the world. Not the food in the restaurant, you have to pay the price of time. Going to a restaurant means paying for food. This is the rule to pay for food. But a restaurant was started to disprove this idea, which is very different from all the other restaurants. One of the specialists of this restaurant is that you can eat as much as you want in this restaurant. You don't have to pay for the food because you will get any food or drink here completely for free. But yes, you have to pay for the time spent sitting here. In other words, even if the food or drink of this restaurant is completely free, you must pay the price of time. The name of this strange rule restaurant is The People and Co. This restaurant is located in Cyber City, Gurugram. It is basically a bar cum restaurant. Here, connoisseurs will have the opportunity to drink mocktails, cocktails, or wine along with continental and Italian dishes. The restaurant also hosts a variety of entertaining live events. You have to pay 15 rupees per minute to spend time in this restaurant. In other words, it will cost you 19 rupees to spend 1 hour in this restaurant. However, if you want to bring food online or by phone, then you have to pay for the food. The husband spent 10 years in the forest after fleeing from his wife's anger. Many men are scared of their wives. When the domination of the world is in the hands of the wife, then it is normal for the poor man to become emotionally upset. Due to this reason, the marriage broke up at one time. So he left his wife and fled. There is no end to the many strange things that are happening around the world. An American citizen has given birth to such an amazing event. He spent 1 year, 2 years, 9 years in the jungle, fleeing from his wife's irritation and pain. If the relationship between husband and wife is good, then there is no question. But if it is bad, then there is nothing but sorrow about that. But that's why he ran away from his wife and spent 10 years in the forest. Maybe no one has heard that before. A man in the United Kingdom got married and left his wife after marriage. The man, identified as Malcolm Applegate, escaped into the woods at the urging of his wife without telling anyone, and he spent the whole 10 years there. Malcolm is now 74 years old. He is a gardener by profession. He told the story of his life to an organization called Emmaus Greenwich in London. The work of this organization is to provide shelter to the homeless. Malcolm has not been seen for 10 years and his family members have assumed that he is no more in this world. But suddenly, 10 years later, Malcolm called his sister, and the sister could not believe that she was able to talk to her brother after so many years. Malcolm said this his wife did not want him to be out of the circle after marriage. Even if he worked hard, his wife would get angry. That's the reason.